Example 10.4 using solver, page 278, figure 10.10. 1. Click on Data. Now you will see Solver add-in in the top right corner of the Excel Workbook. 2. You now provide all the information about your problem as shown in the video. 3. The solution space along with the corresponding maximum value of the objective function is colored in green. 4. The Z cell and LHS consist of formulas. The Z cell is the sum product is the values of the variables and the coefficient of these variables from the objective function. Whereas the LHS is the sum product of the values of the variables and their corresponding coefficient in the constraints. 5. In this example, all our constraints are of less than equal to. We will have a slack variable column which is given by RHS-LHS. 6. Now go solver add-in as shown in the video. 7. In the set objective, you select the green colored Z cell which has a formula. 8. Select the object of the problem. For this example, the objective is max. 9. In the by changing of variable cells, select the green colored cells of the variables. 10. We are now ready to add the constraints by clicking on the Add button of Subject Constraints. 11. An additional constraint will be added which will tell the solver the variables are all integers. 12. The LHS, relation, RHS are entered one by one of each constraint as shown in the video. If all the constraints are the same relation, we can enter LHS and RHS in one go. Again, see the video. 13. Do not forget to tick Make unconstrained variables non-negative. This will assure the non-negativity condition of the variables. 14. Set the Select a Solving method to simplex LP and then click Solve. 15. You now can see the output window. Always read the solver result before clicking OK. The message should be Solver found a solution. All the constraints and the optimality conditions are satisfied. We then have integer solution.